Hey folks, my name is Akash and welcome to my channel. Folks, in this particular video we will be going to discuss another particular problem that is called very big sum problem. Okay, so what we'll be going to discuss is in this particular challenge we'll be going to understand what is function description, what is particular very big sum problem statement is talking about, and how we can convert this code into the code basically. It will be very short video folks, so you will not getting bored in this particular video. It is very straightforward problem basically. Okay, first we'll be going to discuss about function description, return and input statement and output format. Okay, so we'll just clearly understand what this particular challenge is talking about basically. Okay, so in this particular channel you are required to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array. Okay, understand the problem very carefully. Okay, so in this challenge you are required to calculate and print the sum of the elements in an array, keeping in mind that sum of those integers may be quite large. Okay, so sum of those integers may be quite large. Means if you add those numbers, maybe it will be large. Okay, and so what's a function description? Understand carefully. Function description, it basically means you have to create a function basically. Okay, alright. So we'll try to understand this. What they are telling: complete a very big sum function in the editor below. This is an editor. Okay, so you should need to take into the consideration basically. Okay, so it must return a sum of all array elements. Okay, basically here goal or objective is to return the sum of all array elements basically. Okay, what very big sum of parameters it will be going to take us, like that is an n. Okay, number of an elements as an array of integer it should take, and it returns the long sum of all array elements basically. So what's an input format? First line consists of an integer n. So n contains the elements basically. Okay, so let's suppose if you are writing 5,000 some numbers, you will be going to write, and it will returns the sum of those array elements basically, right? So that is only the objective of this function. Understand what is a constraint. Input, they are telling about 1 to n, array size is 0 to 10 to the power of 10. Alright, so how we can do it here? Very carefully, understand very carefully. We have to return the sum of those array elements basically. Okay, so it is a Python code basically. What our objective is to simplify the code basically. Okay, if you not watched the previous video or previous two problems, you can go with the series DSA for Beginners series folks. So you can just watch that particular video. Okay, so we'll just get back to this particular video and we'll just try to write the code basically. So here we have to return the sum of the arrays. So it is a simple code. You have to write a sum function. You have to write an AR as a parameter pass. Alright, it's very simple folks. Okay, it is not that much rocket science here. If you are taking a simple programming language, so picking a programming language that I already discussed in the introduction of this particular series, so you can just click on that series. Okay, so you can I will be attaching the videos, okay, playlist videos, so you can just hover over any of the cards or anything folks. Make sure that you watch this particular video up till the end. Okay, make sure you are watching the video folks, but you are not subscribed to my channel. Okay, so make sure that you do subscribe and hit the notification button basically. Why I am telling is basically if I am posting any of the new videos, you will be not getting notified, so make sure that do that. Okay, so come to this particular problem. So we'll just run the code, how the things is going to work here. Okay, so 5 inputs we have taken, and in inputs we have taken these numbers. Okay, this is a output which we are getting, and the same expected output is also same. Okay, we'll just submit this code. Right, Alright, so this is the thing, folks. Okay, I will recap once again this particular problem, folks. Okay, so that you will understand once again. So in here there are number of elements. It is an array elements. You have to write the sum of that. Okay, that is only the objective of this particular function basically. Okay, you can just, if you just switch over the problem, you will get the problem, what is to talk about, what is the constraints are, what is an input, what is an output, all these things, sort of things basically. Okay, you can just click on the submission. You can see the leaderboard. See, this is my name, folks. Okay, so you can just check it out. So make sure that it is showing in the Java 8, but I have written in Python. There is some conception with this. Okay, I don't know what is happening. Okay, so that's it about this video, folks. If you like this particular video, if you like what kind of a work I am doing in this particular series, do check it out. Share to your friends, colleagues, and tell them that this is a particular playlist. It is purely for beginners to get started with the programming basically, folks. It's this kind of a tutorials you will never get it. Okay, so from the beginner series I am trying to talk it about, like pattern problems I am not discuss. If you want, let me know about it, folks. So I will be going to recording that particular video as well. Okay, so let me know in the comment section, or let me know in the description what kind of a content you would like. Okay, so what I seen in this particular YouTube video, folks, you will hit the like and subscribe button for those videos who will be not giving you anything in your life which is not useful, right? So try to like motivate me so that I will be creating such more content, bringing the projects you in this particular channel you will be getting. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. My main motive was to aware about it. Okay, these things, these concepts will be asked in the data, like any kind of an interview, software engineering interviews, data science interviews. First round will be the DSA round, which they will be going to drill you down. Okay, that is only that they are focusing about the problem solving things. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know in the comment section.